Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a homemade engine. We'll start by understanding the fundamental principles that drive these fascinating devices. At its core, an engine transforms one form of energy, like heat or chemical potential, into useful mechanical work. For a homemade engine, we often explore concepts like controlled combustion or pressure differentials. Grasping these basic physics concepts is absolutely essential for anyone looking to build their own working model. Next, let's talk about the essential components you'll need. Every engine requires a chamber where the energy conversion takes place, perhaps a small metal can or a sturdy plastic bottle. You'll also need a moving part, like a piston, to translate the force into motion. For fuel, simple options like rubbing alcohol or lighter fluid can work. Finally, a reliable ignition source, such as a piezoelectric igniter, is critical to start the process. Now, let's walk through the assembly process. First, firmly secure your combustion chamber to a stable base, ensuring it can withstand internal pressures. Next, carefully fit your piston into its cylinder, making sure it slides smoothly with minimal friction. You'll need to create a tight, sealed connection for introducing your fuel. Finally, precisely position the ignition source so it can reliably spark within the chamber, initiating the energy release. Finally, we come to testing and, most importantly, safety. Always perform your initial tests in a well-ventilated outdoor space, away from flammable materials. Begin with extremely small quantities of fuel, perhaps just a few drops, to understand the engine's behavior. Carefully observe how the piston moves and how the engine reacts to ignition. Based on your observations, make small adjustments to component alignment or fuel mixture to optimize its performance and ensure safe operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.